The Send a WhatsApp Message Template block allows you to send the WhatsApp message template directly from the builder. It allows you to easily integrate WhatsApp message templates that combine call to actions and quick reply buttons all within your WhatsApp chatbot flow. Let's start with how to set it up. Inside the builder, search for the block. Start by selecting the WhatsApp business number. Then, from the drop-down, select the WhatsApp message template. Keep in mind that you need a WhatsApp business number with approved WhatsApp message templates to use this feature. Also, it is essential that you have a clear idea on how the flow will look like, as you'll need to request the message template before using it in the chatbot flow. On how to request a WhatsApp message template, we have a video tutorial in the Academy, plus a knowledge base article. I'll link them below in the description. Now, if the message template selected does not have buttons, you will see it like this. If you're using a template with buttons, you'll be able to connect the individual buttons to different parts of your flow so that you direct the user where you want based on their selection. The buttons that don't have a green plus button are call to action buttons. Depending on the message template, these buttons will take you directly to a website page or call a phone number. If the message template fails to send for some reason, you can still continue the bot flow by connecting the failed to send output. In terms of limitations, the message template block cannot be used with the test this bot option. In this case, it will always follow the failed output option. And if the selected template is modified, removed, paused, or disabled, the message won't be sent and the bot will follow the failed output. And that's it, an introduction to the Send a WhatsApp Message Template block from the Landbot Builder.